affection, and concern are rather apparent.
Is that him over there? Come here, come here.
Nah.
Are you sure? It looks like him.
Oh, it's nothing like him, Abby.
Because if that's the squirrel who stole my yodel yesterday, I have got little something for him.
It's not him, Abby.
I have got a nice pretty brick here. And I'm gonna smash his furry little face into bloody pasty pulp. Oh yes, oh yes. You are going to meet your maker today, you shifty little vermin.
It's a different squirrel, Abby. Look, he has a name. You're not gonna tell me that a crippled squirrel stole your yodel, are you?
Well, I'll bet he knows who did it. They're all in this together. What was that?
Oh, I almost sneezed.
You almost sneezed? You
Yes.
almost sneezed?
Yes, but I managed to hold it in.
What in the world is wrong with you? You should never hold in a sneeze.
I always hold in my sneezes. I have been holding in my sneezes for 70 years.
But I have never heard you holding a sneeze.
Of course, well, that's because I hardly ever sneeze. But when I do sneeze, I always almost sneeze. That's the polite thing to do, you know.
But don't you know how dangerous it could be? You could pop a blood vessel in your head and have cerebral hemorrhage.
Oh, I don't think that's gonna happen. Nah.
It may have already happened. Does your head feel funny?
Funny, as in ha-ha?
No. Funny as in rivulets of blood seeping in your brain and soaking it like a sponge.
No, my head feels fine. It's just an old wives' tale.
Well, I'm an old wife too.
You are an old widow.
Not necessarily. Joe's body was never found, you know. He may just turn up. That would be just like him just when I'm starting to relax.
Well, the way I see it, if God wants to pop my blood vessel, that's his business. I am certainly not going to start worrying about that now, at my age.
Martha, there are practical considerations. Sometimes when you hold in a sneeze, it slips out of the other end. Your muscles get disrupted and whoops! It's no my little squeaker either. It fires off like a pistol shot. Nothing polite about that.
Well, hey, Sarah, Sarah. As my sainted mother always said, wherever you be, let your wind be free.
Oh yes, oh yes. I shared an elevator with your mother once, and that's an experience I have never quite shaken. Is that him? Over there. Come here.
Oh. It's not a him. It's a female squirrel.
How do you know?
Oh, I know. I can tell the sex of any animal just by looking at it. I can tell the sex of fish. Don't ask me how. It's a gift and a burden.
Don't do that. You're giving me the willies.
I can't help it. That's how I sneeze. There must be pollen around here somewhere.
Your brain is going to blow right through your ears, and I don't want to sit here and watch. If it weren't for that squirrel I have to kill, I would be right now.
Nothing is going to happen to my brain. My brain has been the same for 70 years, you know. Another thing to say, that if you cross your eyes, they're going to stay that way. But guess what? I have been crossing my eyes at parties and gatherings for 70 whole years. So look at my eyes. They're so straight and straight.
Yes, and you know, they also say if you eat bread crust, you will get curly hair. I have been eating bread crust from Shirley Temple by now. That was my dream.
Well, in my opinion, it's a lot of hooey.
I wish that squirrel would come. I have to go home for Judge Judy.
I wonder who's going to pass on these stories when we are gone. You know, people get their information from machines nowadays.
Soon we'll all be robots. We won't sneeze or break wind.
It's very sad.
Here he comes. He's got a little ring-ding in his mouth. Bold as brass. Now I have got you, you cocky little weasel. Your chickens have come home to roost.
Oh, let him finish the ring, Abby. That's the humane thing to do, right?
I have not come this far by being sentimental in life. Come on, Mr. Squirrel. A little closer. Just one more step.